How to hide likes on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you how you can hide likes on others posts as well as your own posts on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So to get started with others posts, open Instagram, go to your profile page, tap on the three lines, go to settings, go to the option called privacy and then select post, and at the top you can see hide likes. What is that is that it's going to hide the number of likes from other people's posts on Instagram. You will not see that this post has received this much likes. The other way is if you've actually your own post over here, and on your own post you want to hide the like count, right? So what you can do in that case is just tap on the three dot icon and then you'll find the option called hide like count. What this does is that it is going to hide the like count for this specific post and no one else is going to be able to view it. Or we'll tap on the three dots and then select unhide like count again. The other way is you can also choose to hide likes before you post a post. So tap on the plus icon, then select a specific post, hit the arrow icon, hit the arrow icon. On this page, just go to advanced settings, and then here you can see hide like and view count on this post. This should be done before you make the Instagram post, and then you can go ahead and post it. This is how you can hide likes on Instagram for your own post or for others' post or the post that you're currently actually making. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.